Hey, how you doing? And welcome to day one of a brand new series on my channel. This is the 12 markets of Christmas. Over the next 12 days, from the 1st of December to the 12th of December, I'm going to be releasing a new video on my channel where I'll be visiting a different Christmas market each day around the UK. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get updates when new videos are released each day over these next 12 days. And for day one, I'm in London and I'm visiting Trafalgar Square Market. Right, so let's kick off this 12 markets of Christmas. We're going to explore Trafalgar Square's Christmas Market. I'm going to look at what is available here, look at all the different stalls, and what I'm going to do each day is grab a drink, whether that's a beer or a mulled wine. So I'm starting down in London today, but we are going to be moving all around the country. Just get your Christmas gifts here, so there's candles, Christmas decorations coming up here, ornaments for your trees. Wow, look at that chocolate. Your marshmallows covered in chocolate, all your fruits. There's a bratwurst stall. So good. It smells amazing. So in the centre of the market area is a Festive bar. So probably come back here shortly to get a drink. So some more food options over here with the Grill House, where you can get burgers, fries, and then another bratwurst, currywurst chili dogs. Another one that looks and smells amazing. You can get your churros donuts. Lots of different toppings there. Churros with sugar £10, churros with cinnamon sugar £11. There's a gift shop where you can buy clothes, knitted wear. Lots of artwork here. As we come round Trafalgar Square areas, the National Gallery just in front there, so you can get donuts and coffees. So we come back round the other side and we'll find some more stalls. So we've got some jewellery there. So I'm going to give you some fun facts about Trafalgar Square Market. So this is open between the 9th of November to the 2nd of January. Naturally it won't be open on Christmas Day. I'll check the timetables for the various dates around Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day. But it opens from 10 AM till 10 PM. And it's a fairly new market. It's only been open a few years, but it has become very popular. What you will find is a lot of Christmas markets dotted around the London area, with Trafalgar Square being one of them. So you've got the iconic Nelson's Column and the National Gallery that we've just seen. So here's some more food stalls. So you've got around about 20 to 30 of these wooden style chalets, so in a mixture of gifts and trinkets and Christmas ornaments, lots of food and drink options. So here's another stall selling Christmas ornaments and decorations for your tree. It's quite fortunate that we've come at a good time. It's only just open for the day and it's pretty quiet, so that's a good start for day one. So we are back round where we started with the pancake store. So this isn't really going to be the longest of videos because it's not the biggest of markets. As we start making our way around the UK, we're going to visit some of the more traditional larger markets, especially one up in the northwest of the country and one over the border into Scotland. So now I'm going to go and find somewhere to get a drink, probably that bar in the middle of the market. So let's head over there. So here we are back at the Festive bar in the middle of the market. Let's go and have a look at the menu and see what drinks they've got on offer. So bottled beer, wines, mulled ciders, mulled wines, soft drinks, hot chocolate. Got hot toddies as well. So let's see what they've got beer wise. So maybe a Star of Pramen. Yeah, let's grab one of them. Got my beer at this Festive bar here just to the side. That's a Star of Pramen. They only do bottles, so they put it into a cup. That cost £5, which I thought was pretty reasonable considering we're in London. So cheers everybody, and here's to a very Merry Christmas, and I do hope you enjoy the 12 Markets of Christmas series. Cheers everybody. It's only about 11 o'clock in the morning, but anyway, it must be 5 o'clock somewhere, so cheers again. So that's day one of the 12 Markets of Christmas done. Going to be moving on to day two, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get updates tomorrow when that video is out. Leave a comment down below with any of the Christmas markets around the UK that you would like me to go and see over these next 11 days. And I will see you tomorrow for day two.